Is that yummy? He keeps trying to grab stuff with his left hand.
I think that's a good seconds on ice cream.
That's his right hand.
That's what I meant. Right hand. Sorry. My left, his right.
He's right-handed. When he balances, he does it with his right foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't eat my hand. You're getting real good at this.
He is, isn't he?
He's
They're
like,
adorable at this age when they're trying to learn how to eat.
he's like, the spoon tastes delicious, Daddy.
Hey, buddy.
Stop. You're going to choke yourself. Give me the spoon. Give me the spoon. Thank you. Slow down, okay?
Be the spoon.
Be the spoon.
I want to get the spoon going. There it is. Right on, dude. Look at those big, beautiful eyes. What do you think, Caitlin?
About what?
Just a matter of how long before you don't have to depend on you anymore?
A matter of a little bit.
Just come once.
I know, it's so sad.